Hey there, my fellow natural wellness enthusiasts. Today we're going to talk about one of my absolute favorite essential oils. This is bergamot, or some say bergamot. Either way is correct. And boy, oh boy, does this oil have some amazing benefits. First things first, let's clarify what the heck bergamot even is. It's actually a type of citrus fruit that's grown mainly in Italy, and the oil is extracted from the rind. So what is bergamot essential oil good for? Well, let me tell you, this oil has a laundry list of benefits, from reducing stress and anxious feelings to aiding digestive discomfort. So bergamot oil can do it all. One of the best ways to use bergamot oil is to inhale it. You can simply breathe it from the bottle, put a couple of drops in a diffuser, and voila, you'll feel more relaxed and centered in no time. But wait, there's more. Bergamot essential oil benefits for skin are off the charts. It's a natural antiseptic and antibacterial, which means it's great for treating acne-prone skin and other skin blemishes, especially as they relate to hormone changes. Plus, it can help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, giving you a youthful, glowing skin. And if you're dealing with digestive issues, bergamot oil can help with that too. You just massage a couple of drops from your hand and rub it on your stomach, and it can help soothe any discomfort. But one of my two personal favorite ways to use bergamot oil is by adding it to my bath. Not only does it smell amazing, but it can help reduce feelings of tension and stress. And my second absolute favorite way to use bergamot essential oil is to help support hormone balance. You know, when you start feeling off, maybe a little down, in that dark hole of a place, or really you're on edge with people, bergamot is my go-to to help balance those hormones. It helps lift me out of the dungeon that I feel that I'm in. And I just place a couple of drops of bergamot, frankincense, and Roman chamomile, either just directly under my tongue, or I put them in an empty veggie cap and I swallow it. This has been my superhero blend for years now. See, bergamot oil isn't just good for your body, it's great for your soul. So there you have it. Bergamot essential oil uses are truly endless. Whether you're looking to reduce stress, improve your skin, or soothe an upset stomach, or deal with those pesky hormones, bergamot oil has got your back. So make sure you grab my essential oils guidebook with all of the tips, tricks, and recipes for using essential oils effectively. You can see the link down in the description. And if you found this video helpful, make sure that you hit the like and subscribe button so you'll be notified every time I upload a brand new video.